Hello there guys! Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Marika. So for today's video, I decided to do a makeup look for you guys. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a new video. I've been really busy planning my bridal shower and everything like that, which is gonna be on May 19th, and I will be vlogging it so you guys can see what I did for my bridal shower. Anyways, so this is the look that I created. Again, if you are new, my name is Marika, and if you want to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe down at the down bar, and make sure you click that bell button so you are notified when I upload a new video. And yeah, thank you guys for watching my videos. It really means a lot to me. So let's just go ahead and get started with this video if you want to see how I did this look. I'm going to start by priming my eyelid. I totally forgot that this primer, a little goes a long way, and I put way too much on my other eyelid if you guys can't see. So I'm just trying to spread it as evenly as I can. And for this look, I'm actually using the Jaclyn's Hill favorite palette from Morphe. I've been using this all year long, and it's actually one of my favorite palettes. I can't stay away from it just because I love the shades in here, and of course, who doesn't love Jaclyn Hill's favorite palettes, you know? And so I started off with that transition shade, and then I'm going with this burgundy, not burgundy, like a pinkish purple color. And I've been into purples lately, and I think it's one of my favorite summer look. So this look is actually really easy to create, and using that lilac-y purple shade on my eyelids. And then I'm actually going to top this off with the shimmer veil from Cover FX. I got this from my BoxyCharm. I think maybe three. Oh my god, I cannot talk. I'm so sorry. I just woke up actually 3 months ago, and I haven't used it since I never used it since I got it. So this is actually my second time using this product, and I'm actually so in love with it. So I'm just placing that over the eyeshadow that I just put on my lid carefully, and then I'm just like using the applicator to just spread it around my eyelid. So I'm just waiting for it to dry, and then once it's dry, I'm actually going to deepen up my look by using that color again. Not that color again, it's a different shade, but it looks similar to the color that I put on my crease. And we are also going to do a lot of blending with this look, just so there are no harsh lines. Moving on to the eyeliner, I'm using the Ciate liquid liner, and I know you're not supposed to tug on your eyes when you're doing like any eyeshadows or eyeliner, but this has actually become a habit for me, so I just can't help it at this point. I'm not trying to do like a dramatic wing liner, but sometimes you just gotta wing it. And then for my mascara, to prep my eyelashes, I'm using the Tarteist mascara from Tarte. I forgot what it's called. I will leave everything down at the down bar. And then for my falsies, I'm just using the Koko Lashes. And you guys know I suck at using or like putting eyelashes on the screen, so I did it off the screen. And then I'm priming my face with the
face primer from Urban Decay, and I'm using the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation, which I really love this foundation. It's so lightweight, it's so blendable, and I feel like it gives me just that natural look that I'm looking for, and it's not too heavy on my skin. So next for the concealer, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Concealer. And I'm using my beauty sponge from Real Techniques. I haven't used their sponge lately. This is a new one, and it's my second time using this, and I feel like they changed it, or it just, I don't know. I feel like it's so much better than what it was before, if you guys know what I mean. I am going to set my concealer with that Wet n Wild powder. Forgot what it's called. But like I said, I'll leave everything down the link below. And I'm using the oh, so I'm working on the brows now. Okay. Using the It Cosmetics brow definer, which I got also from my BoxyCharm a couple of months ago, and I absolutely adore this pencil liner. I totally forgot what it's called. The brow definer. There you go. And I'm setting my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel. Oh my god. Like I said, I just woke up, so I'm a little like out of it still. And if I sound congested, it's just me waking up. So I'm going to use the Rimmel loose powder, and I absolutely love this loose powder. And I guess I'm going back to my eyes and using that shade that I use on my eyelid to put it on my lower lash line. And then I'm also highlighting my inner corner, the first shade from that palette. And I'm using that mascara again that I used for my lower lash line. To darken up my lower lash line, I'm using this pencil liner from the Balm. I think I also got this from my BoxyCharm. I think everything that I'm using for this video is from BoxyCharm. And it's just like a dark purple eyeliner. So to bronze up my face, I'm using the Sweethearts blush and bronze palette from Too Faced. And I'm just spreading this evenly on my face. And then for the blush, I'm using the Tarte palette. I forgot what palette this is called, but I'm just using that blush right there because this blush is so pretty. I love Tarte's blushes. They are so gorgeous and everyone's skin, and it's not too much. And then to highlight, I'm just using that shade from the Milani Cosmetics highlighter trio. And I'm just highlighting my face. And then to finish off this look, I am using the I think it's a liquid lipstick slash lip gloss because it was so glossy. I don't really use like gloss a lot, but I figured I'd use this. And then I'm gonna spray my face to lock up everything. And there you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thumbs up if you do. And I will talk to you in my next one. Bye!